Turkey is entering a new era in aerospace and defense as the country prepares to transition its next-generation fighter jet, the Kaan, from the prototype and test phase to full-scale mass production. This achievement marks one of the most ambitious milestones in the country's technological history and places Turkey among the few countries capable of producing advanced fighter aircraft. The Kaan project, developed under the leadership of Turkish Aerospace Industries with contributions from hundreds of local defense companies, is designed to enhance the capabilities of the Turkish Air Force and strengthen Turkey's strategic independence. The decision to move to mass production underscores the program's maturity, the success of initial flight tests, and Turkey's growing industrial capacity to support complex aerospace systems. Stealth is a core attribute of the Kaan program. Its airframe features low observability characteristics achieved through radar-absorbent materials, serrated surface alignment, and internal weapons evasion. What truly defines a fifth-generation fighter aircraft is not just its stealth, but also its ability to collect, process, and integrate information in real time. Kaan is equipped with a sophisticated avionics suite. Kaan uses an active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, offering long-range detection, countering jamming attempts, enabling high-precision targeting. Multispectral infrared and imaging systems enable Kaan to detect stealth aircraft, operate efficiently in low-visibility environments, conduct precision strikes without relying on external sensors. Kaan integrates data from radar, U suites, electro-optical sensors, satellite links, and ground systems. This information is fed into an AI-powered mission computer that helps pilots make faster and more accurate decisions. Powered by advanced twin engines, the Kaan is designed for high thrust-to-weight ratio, sustained supersonic flight, high agility during dogfights, and long operational endurance. The Kaan has been engineered to meet the demanding demands of modern air combat, incorporating technology that rivals global fifth-generation platforms. Turkey's motivation stems from strategic needs and long-term defense planning. With an aging F-16 fleet nearing the end of its service life and uncertainty surrounding the procurement of foreign fifth-generation fighters, the Kaan is projected to be the backbone of the country's air defense for decades to come. The program has made rapid progress, particularly in flight testing. Initial prototype flights validated key systems including flight controls, engine performance, avionics communications, and structural integrity. Ground testing, including high-speed taxiing, cockpit interface evaluation, and stealth signature measurements, further strengthen confidence in the aircraft's readiness. Engineers have highlighted several breakthroughs achieved during the test campaign: stable aerodynamic behavior during high-speed climb, successful integration of the fly-by-wire control system, reliable onboard diagnostic and redundancy functions, promising radar cross-section results. These positive results allowed Turkey to approve a move toward low-cost initial production, signaling the beginning of the aircraft's industrialization phase. To support mass production, Turkey has expanded its aerospace manufacturing infrastructure to unprecedented levels. Newly constructed assembly hangars, automated production lines, and specialized composite materials facilities have been established to meet growing demand. Local industry is responsible for most of the Kaan's subsystems, including electronics, sensors, mission computers, flight control modules, and structural components. TAI and its partners have initiated workforce expansion, training programs, and integration processes to ensure production continuity. The country has also increased investments in supply chain resilience to avoid reliance on foreign components. With a target of high domestic content in future batches, readiness for mass production demonstrates Turkey's evolution into a global player in advanced aerospace technology. The Kaan program has spurred innovation across multiple sectors, from artificial intelligence and propulsion systems to materials, science, and radar technology. It has also inspired a new generation of engineers, technicians, and researchers who contribute directly to the nation's long-term technological sovereignty. For the Turkish Air Force, Kaan is expected to transform operational doctrine. Its ability to act as a central node in a connected combat environment, coordinate with drones, and execute precision missions makes it a force multiplier. Joint operations with other platforms, such as the Bayraktar Kızılelma and Eksunger, will create a highly integrated ecosystem of manned and unmanned assets. As the program moves forward, Kaan is attracting attention from several countries, seeking advanced yet cost-effective fighter solutions outside traditional Western suppliers. Turkey's approach, offering high-end capabilities, technology sharing, and flexible cooperation models, gives the aircraft strong export potential. If successfully marketed, Kaan could reshape global defense dynamics, providing an alternative option in a competitive market dominated by a small number of established manufacturers. While mass production marks a major milestone, significant work remains. The development of indigenous engines, extensive weapons integration, full operational testing, and multi-role certification represent key challenges for the coming years. Nevertheless, Turkey's confidence in moving forward indicates a strong belief in the program's maturity and the nation's determination to achieve strategic self-reliance. As Kaan prepares to roll off the production line, Turkey stands on the brink of a transformative achievement, one that will define its military capabilities for generations and solidify its position as a prominent aerospace nation.